Hey everybody! In this video, I will show you exactly how to edit the wp-config.php file in WordPress. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. The first thing you need to do is create a complete WordPress backup. The wp-config.php file is so crucial to a WordPress site that a tiny mistake will make your site inaccessible. You will need an FTP client to connect to your website. Windows users can install WinSCP or SmartFTP, and Mac users can try Transmit or CyberDuck. An FTP client allows you to transfer files between a server and your computer. Connect to your website using the FTP client. You will need FTP login information, which you can get from your web host. The wp-config.php file is usually located in the root folder of your website, with other folders like wp-content. Simply right-click on the file and then select Download from the menu. Your FTP client will now download the wp-config.php file to your computer. You can open and edit it using a plain text editor program like Notepad or TextEdit. After that, you need to select your database and choose the SQL option. Now, from here, you can run SQL query or queries on the database. Then, you need to select your server from where you will find the files. After that, run the query as shown right here. Follow the exact steps and then it will show you the file you're looking for. Once you find it, click to edit from here. Click the link given in the description box to create your account. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.